All right, well, we have fast food, we have got fast news, fast fashion, but all of you at home, us included, we want fast forecasts with the weather. It just doesn't actually work like that.
By now, you're all aware of the snowstorm coming and the slight change in expected snowfall total in the metro. But if you think our meteorologist jumped the gun here in calling this storm, let's take you behind the curtain for a minute.
Can you feel it? Are you ready? It's coming. So much Tropageddon apocalypse!
Here comes the snow.
Snow moves in late tomorrow night.
6 to 10 inches of snow.
Blizzard watch, like a big snow potential.
We're still in winter, and Mother Nature is about to prove that to us.
For 48 hours, the February storm that would scare a Yeti was predicted. Forecasted snow totals varied by the source. Belinda was seeing 6 to 10 inches in the metro. KSTP was saying 7 to 9 inches. WCCO tweeted a model showing 16 to 24 inches in the metro. Fox 9 didn't estimate the totals just yet, but they did tweet a model showing 3 to 9 inches possible. Each one of those forecasts were different. Panic ensues online, and then, JK, put your shovel away. 24 hours later, some are saying less than an inch. Let's try the National Weather Service.
Siri, how old is John Travolta?
John Travolta is 63.
All right, so if I can have a computer on my phone tell me how old John Travolta is in a millisecond, why can't you guys tell me how much it's gonna freaking snow in 2 days?
Sure. Well, John Travolta's age isn't changing quite as quickly as the weather, so I do got that. The big thing with this storm was the track. You know, it was never how much snow was going to fall in that heavy band, it was just where it was going to set up.
Not only did meteorologist Jacob Beitlich zing me back with the Travolta thing, but he also explained why setup is important for predictions.
I'm going to talk a little science with you, Chris, if you don't mind.
I'd be honored.
What happens is you have this storm that brings cold air from the north and warm air up to the south, and it doesn't really collide and have this violent collision. It more just tightens the temperature gradient, and what that does is it makes circulation in the atmosphere.
Flush the old wind toilet.
Something like that, maybe. Where that starts to form is going to help determine where the storm is going to track with this heavy snow.
He says a storm of this size can easily shift 50 or 100 miles in direction. So several days out, it's a little hard to tell how many millimeters will fall at the northeast corner of Lake and Lindale.
So this is 6 different models, and this is how much precipitation they think is going to fall.
And there are supercomputers throwing together calculations for the future that take years of schooling to understand. It spits out various probabilities, and then your trusted forecaster gives you their best prediction. So collectively, let's give our awesome meteorologists a break here. Or you could just go with this one.
So it's so interesting, you know, we expect everything now in today's society, which is really hard with this because there are so many factors that get computed into this. So it's almost impossible to say it's going to do exactly this on exactly that day when it's so far out. This thing was not even in California yet.
Oh, it wasn't even off the ocean yet.
And meteorologists knew that there's energy out there. It's coming this way and it's going to drop snow. Could it be Iowa? Could it be southern Minnesota? Could it be northern Minnesota? We don't know. So it's better to warn people that an impending storm is coming and be wrong than to not warn at all, in my opinion. So keep at it, meteorologists.
I sit about 2 feet away from the CARE weather team, and they have worked harder in the last week trying to predict this storm. The demand by people a week ago to know if it was going to snow or not was just insatiable. And it changes every single day because that's science. I'm not a meteorologist, and probably most of you at home aren't either. So bear with them a bit. Just bear with them.
That's right.